Hey, today we are unboxing Zoom H5 audio recorder. It's a 4-track portable recorder. VR for creators. 2 GB SD memory card included, plus Cubase and Wavelab softwares inside. This is 30th NAM Tech winner. Okay, what is NAM? NAM stands for National Association of Music Merchants. It was founded in 1901. NAM is the world's largest trade-only event for the music products industry. Let's open it. This is the USB cable. You can also connect it to your PC to record the audio. While recording from the computer, it will get its power from the USB. It comes with two AA size battery. I don't think they are rechargeable. You can buy some rechargeable battery, that will be nice. Here comes the recorder with the protective case. Let's open it. This case is helpful to protect the mic. It feels some weight in my hand. The build quality looks quite well. We got a speaker at the back side and an option for mic stand as well. It comes with a foam type windscreen. The gain dials are also easily accessible. The mic capsules have their own controls. The XY pair has a single stereo volume dial for the LR channels. The separate little gain dials for channels 1 and 2 sit below the display. All these dials sit under sturdy steel bumper bars, partially for protection but also for practically. It's far easier to smoothly adjust the volume with this arrangement. These are some user manuals and warranty etc. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It comes with a detachable stereo XY microphone and utilizes a system of interchangeable input capsules that allow you to choose the best mic for every situation. This is ideal for live concert and rehearsal recording as well as audio for video. The H5 is equally well suited for podcasting, broadcasting and electronic news gathering. It directly records to SD card up to 32 GB. On the left hand side of the recorder you get a line out point, a headphone jack, volume control buttons for the headphone, for monitoring the video, a 5-watt phantom power USB and a hold and a on off switch. H5 can be mounted to any DSLR. Its dual combo inputs can handle both mic and line level signals. There is even a dedicated line out for direct connection to your camera without the need for an attenuator cable. It has two XLR mic line inputs, each with selectable phantom power. It can work for 15 hours with two AA alkaline batteries. On the right hand side of the recorder you got SD card port, menu button and a joystick like button and the option for remote control. At the bottom you got two XLR mic ports named as 1 and 2. It has a dedicated port for audio monitoring. This is the 2 GB micro SD card. Let's put the battery. It asks for the date and time. Let's skip it. Oh, this is asking for the SD card. It doesn't have any internal memory. So let's put the SD card inside first. To start the recording from the mounted capsule, make sure The L and R lights are on. They are not working separately. If you press the one, the another will be switched on automatically. The small screen on the recorder is clear and easy to read. The user interface is quite easygoing. Now you just need to hit the red button to start the audio recording. You can easily unplug the mic capsule from the recorder. Zoom H5 is very easy to use. From power off, you can be actively recording within 5 seconds. If you leave it in standby, there are various ways to be even quicker. If you are recording a live band, simply set the zoom to start recording automatically at a certain level threshold. Tell us about your favorite audio recording device in the comment box.